dear children. How are you all? I hope all are keeping fine. Already we finished the first lesson, the lesson Christopher, isn't it? Now I am going to start same lesson Christopher, but I am going to give today the grammar part. Same lesson from same grammar part I am going to give, just you listen. Open the page 7. Are you ready, children? Yeah, okay, we'll start the class. Here you see in the board, already I have written, complete each sentence any way you like, but this is half sentence. This is not full sentence. They have given the question half. We have to fill in the blanks, means we have to write the correct answer. Now I am going to read just to see the books. Afera was a noble person because already the last class I have done the lesson about Christopher. Then I told the character of Christopher, isn't it? Then about Afero character. Already you learnt, then you came to know the two members' character. Now we will see here, Afero was noble person because he was helping to all the people, those who are coming near the riverside. Now the answer, he was kind and good to all. When the person is kind, when the person is good, they only can help other person. That means Afera is very kind and good. Only this much answer here. Afera was kind and good to all. He was good with everyone. Second one. The old man wanted Afera's help because who came near the river? The old man. But old man asked with the Afera to help across the river or to cross one's other side. Now, he wanted to go to across the river, but he didn't know how to swim. Who don't know the swim? Yes, the old man don't know how to swim. Since he wanted to cross the river, he asked the help with the Afera. Now third one. The old man looked at Afera with the deep gratitude when Afera took him across the river and set him safely on the ground. Now see here. The old man looked at Afera. When the old man asked help with Afera, Afera have taken the old man to cross the river. That time he felt very happy. Why? Because already he don't know the swim, but still he went that side through the help of others. Since Afera helped, then he felt very happy because, for example, when we'll ask help with other person, when they're ready to help for us, we feel very happy, isn't it? Like that only, the old man was very happy. Afera took him across the river and set him safely on the ground. He took very nicely and the old man went that side. Afera knew that he had carried child Christ across the river when he saw a soft circle of light round the child's head. When, like old man also, the child also came to ask the help with the Afera. But Afera was ready to help that same child person also. Then Afera was not knowing about the child. But Afera thought, like us and like me and like you, like that he thought, and okay, I can agree, I can help you to cross the river, he said with the child. But Afera, when he was taking to cross the river, Soon after the crossing the river, the Pharaoh saw the child's behind the head, the light was there. The light was there. That time the Pharaoh came to know the child is a God. That time the Pharaoh came to know the child is God. This is the answer. He saw soft circle behind the head. The light is of light round the child's head. This is the answer. Dear children, as a human being, we have to pray to God, isn't it? But we have a particular place to pray or to worship for all the religion, isn't it? Hindu, they will go different place. Like Muslims, they will go different place. Like Christian, they will go different place. Like that, for everyone, there is to worship God one particular place. Now we will see which are the place, that one. Now Roman number 2, you see, it is building where Hindus go to worship. Already I told, isn't it? Where they will go? Hindus to worship the God? Temple. Okay, I have already written here, temple. All the Hindu people are going to worship temple. Now second one, it is a building where Muslims go to worship. Are they going temple? Are they going church? No, they are going to worship mosque. Third one, it is a building where Christians go to worship. But I can't tell now, the Christians are going to worship temple or mosque? No, they have to have the particular place to worship the God, that is called church. The Christians are going to worship for God, for church they are going. Fourth one, it is a building where Sikhs go to worship. Sikhs, these also one religion, and Jews also one religion. Remember, like Christian, like Muslim, like Hindus. Now these are going to worship Gurudwara. Where they'll go? To worship to God, Gurudwara. Now fifth one, it is a building where Jews, for example, Jesus is a Jews. Okay? Jesus is the Jews. Now Jews go to worship synagogue. For them also like a temple one place, isn't it? Mosque is a one place. Church is a one place. Gurudwara is a one place. Like that only the Jews people are going to worship to God synagogue. These are the answer. Where they will go in this, they will go to worship the God temple, and Muslims they will go mosque, Christians they will go church, Sikhs they will go Gurudwara, and Jews they will go to worship to God synagogue. See dear children, now this is called jumbling words or jumbled words. Now what is the meaning of the jumbled? Can you tell anybody? Okay, I am going to give one example. What is this? Very easy to read, Sunita. Now once again I am going to write. You can try to read. Can you read very easily? No, little difficult. Why not? Because same letters. What I have written up, same letters, and for down also same letters. But according to how I wrote Sunita, like that here, not there. This is called the jumbled words or jumbling words or jumbled words. Now we will see these 6 points also. Okay. Now here see same letters. Okay. Here also same letter. Here also same letter. But little very difficult to read this one. You can easy to read. This is the one. Now we will see E-S-A. What is that? C. Yes, E-A. This is called C. Now you can see the picture here. Second one, K-L-A-E. Very easy to read also, lake, L-A-K-E. See the picture already, I pasted here. Third one, O-P-O-L. Pool, P-O-O-L, pool. Now you can see a picture. Now O-D-P-N. Little very difficult to read this, but very easy to read this one. Pond, P-O-N-D. You can see the pictures here all. Now fifth one, I-E-R-R-V. What you can call? A river. Yes, river. R-I-V-E-R is the river. Now, canal. Okay, L-N-A-C is the canal. Very easy to read this point, this side, but little difficult for this side to read. Now, N-E-C-A-O, ocean. This is called ocean. See the pictures already I have pasted here. Now, eighth one, P-S-I-N-R-G, spring. Yes, see the spelling? S-P-R-I-N-G is called spring. Already I told the jumble words. This is called the jumble words. Then I have given the example also. Dear children, you see once again here, already I have written on the board each sentence with the correct questions. Okay? Each sentence with the correct question. Now, don't see this part. First you can see only these are the one you see. Now this is called answers. Okay. Now we have to fill the blanks, means answer. Here you have to write the question. This is called the sentence. This is called the sentence. This is not a full sentence. Okay. This is all in a question type. This is all in question type. We need to write the here answer. Already I have written the answer also on the board. Just we will read, the correct answer will come to know now. Now for example, maybe you are thinking, isn't it? Sister has written here 8 points, but answer here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now sister has written 8 points, but answer is only 6. Don't think. We according to the sentence, we can write this answer 2 times also. Okay. Now when I will read, then we will come to know. First point, see. Dash is your name. Already I written the answer here. What is your name? What is the correct answer for this? Second one, dash do you spell your name? How? How is the correct answer? Third one, dash do you live? Answer is where. Where do you live? Fourth one, dash old are you? Dash old are you? How old are you? Okay, dash old are you? How? Answer is the how. Now fifth one, dash are you born? When, or we can tell other words where also. Okay, when also you can write another answer where also, but I did not write here, but I have written the correct answer here when. Now sixth one, dash is your favorite game? What? What is your favorite game? Seventh one, dash is your favorite singer? Which is the answer correct? Who? Who is your favorite singer? Last, eighth one, dash do you watch so much TV? Why do you watch so much TV? But you have observed or not, I don't know. But you see here, already I have written the question mark. Isn't it? Already I have written the question mark here. This is called a question type. First, they'll give the only answer. Okay? Only answer they will give. They will give the place plus answer. We have to read the answer first. Dash is a name like that. Then correct answer. Suitable means correct answer. We have to write here. Then when you are going to read, we will come to know the correct answers for the question. Now we see. Dash is your name. What is your name? Dash do you spell your name? How? Dash do you live? Where do you live? Dash old are you? How old are you? Dash are you born? When or where? Same answer, but I have written here one answer. Sixth one. Dash is a favorite game. What? Seventh one. Dash is your favorite singer. Who? Eighth one. Dash do you watch so much TV? Why? Already I have given the question mark. My dear children, don't waste the time. Take one notebook. Then you have to write these 4 points. From the beginning I have taught the filling the blanks. Page number 7, 8. You have to write 1 times. Already whatever I have written on the board, there is in same thing in your book. Please don't waste the time. Please learn something these days and write 1 times. First you have to go through 2-3 times. Then you have to write 1 times or 2 times. We will meet next class. Okay? All the best.